Here we have a 1970 Chevrolet C10 Custom pickup. This truck was born two-tone blue and white, just like you see it. Obviously it has been repainted or restored, I should say. Awesome looking truck with a great stance. Obviously it's got custom aftermarket wheels that really look nice on it. You got power disc brakes up front. Wheels and tires are in excellent shape. But again, let me show you down the side here. Excellent body lines. It's not all full of Bondo, no rust issues there. Look at the shine on the paint. I would say the trim has to have been replaced. It's in excellent condition as well. Very nice tonneau cover put on the back, fits nicely. You can see pictures of inside the bed on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, very nice straight truck. Let's go inside and take a look here. Here you go. Again, the jams and everything are very solid in the truck. Nicely equipped truck as well, as you will see. You got power steering, we got power brakes. It's also a factory AC truck as well. You can see the dash pad and everything has been replaced as part of the restoration. Big window cab. Awesome truck. Also has had kick panel speakers put in, nicely done. Nice touch down there as well. Let's go ahead and start this up. Get a look under the hood here. And as you can see, as I said, powered by a small block Chevy, factory AC, power steering, power brakes. And listen to this thing. Nice rumble, but nothing obnoxious. Just the way we like to see it. You can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website. Again, at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call at 507-386-1726. Trades are considered and financing is available as well.